Tax evaders and those involved in circulation of illicit money have been put on notice as the Kenya Revenue Authority tightens its noose on the inflows of such cash into the economy.
The tools that the Asset Recovery Agency has are more effective than what we would have been able to achieve. So there are, for example, quite a lot of cases where we are using them and using their law, which gives them more power to be able to freeze even ahead of time resources so that by the time we are through in the investigation, we do not find that the subject matter that we are pursuing has already disappeared.
Multilateral instrument that was signed, which will make the exchange of information so much easier because it's critical. Exchange of information between international governments and agencies is critical in solving or trying to eradicate the illicit financial flows issues.
The Kenya Revenue Authority has been able to recover 5 billion shillings cash that is believed to finance criminal activities such as terrorism and contraband drugs.
For example, in relation to transfer pricing audits, we've carried out over 50 since we started in 2010. We have carried out over 50 and raised sums in excess of 5 billion shillings already.
Kenya, which has been appointed to host the first Tax and Financial Crime Investigations Academy in Africa, is piloting a program that will see sleuths trained in matters of tax fraud. The move is aimed at strengthening the investigative capacity in tax crimes and illicit cash, which often destabilize or distort economies.
What this will do is to help us now learn from those who have greater expertise in this area on how we can tackle that problem and others, and particularly the problem of illicit flows.
So there is really no single piece. The Academy alone is not going to solve that problem, but many, many different approaches that need to be looked at and need to be supported.
Among other measures being undertaken by KRA is the involvement of the public in voluntary reporting of cases of tax fraud.
Already within the investigation function who will be retrained. We have a recruitment program that is already ongoing, and part of that recruitment program involves bringing people from outside. We have already, for example, recruited people from institutions like the EACC, the DPP, the CID, even the National Intelligence.
Kenya's tax collection to GDP now stands at 20% as compared to 14% for other non-oil producing countries on the continent. Judith Akolo, The Business Defined.